Hello everyone. Welcome to this amazing tutorial where I'll show you step by step how to create a stunning e-commerce website using WordPress. It's 100% free. No hosting fees, no domain charges. I'll even guide you to an incredible free theme that's packed with features to rival premium designs. Stick around until the end because we're also going to add the essential plugins and customize the site to match your unique style. So, whether you're a beginner or just on a budget, this is the ultimate guide to starting your e-commerce journey. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to infinityfree.net. Click on the Register button. You'll need to create a new account by entering your email address, creating a password, and agreeing to the terms of service. Once you've filled out the necessary information, click on Sign Up. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to verify your account. After verifying your email, log in to your Infinity Free account. You'll be redirected to the client area. Click on the Create Account button and choose a hosting plan. If you're just starting out, their free plan offers unlimited disk space, bandwidth, and domains at zero cost, perfect for personal blogs or small projects. However, it lacks SSL certificates and professional email accounts. For more features, consider their premium plans. The Super Premium plan includes SSL, faster speeds, and better support, ideal for business sites. For high-traffic sites, the Ultimate Premium plan offers unlimited everything and priority support. Choose the plan that fits your needs and budget. Once your hosting account is created, you'll be taken to the domain section. Here, you can choose a free subdomain for your website. Enter a unique subdomain name and select one of the free domain extensions provided. Click on Search Domain to ensure your chosen subdomain is available. Once you find an available subdomain, click on Create Account. Once your hosting account and subdomain are created, you'll be taken to the Control Panel, cPanel. Here you can manage your hosting account and website efficiently. In cPanel, scroll down to the Softaculous Apps Installer section and click on the WordPress icon. This will open the WordPress installation page. Click on the Install Now button. On the WordPress setup page, you need to configure a few settings. Change the username, password, and enter your email address for the WordPress admin account. And also enter your site name. About site description and other setup, you can fill after installation too. On Advanced option, in Auto Upgrade, select the Do Not Auto Upgrade. After filling out all the details, click on the Install button. The installation process might take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you will see a success message with your WordPress login URL. Click on the provided link to go to the WordPress login page. Enter the admin username and password you created earlier to log in to your new WordPress site. It's time to start building your e-commerce website. In this guide, we'll walk you through installing the essential theme and plugins to get your online store up and running. If you're new to WordPress, make sure to watch the video on the card above. I'll also include a link in the description to help you set up your dashboard and optimize your website. Now, let's install the theme. To install the theme, go to the Appearance section in your WordPress dashboard. From there, select Themes and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Woostify to find the theme. Once it appears, click Install and then Activate to start using it. Additionally, I recommend going through your installed themes and removing any unnecessary ones to keep your WordPress site clean and optimized. Simply hover over the themes you no longer need, click Theme Details, and then select Delete. This will help improve site performance and organization. If you prefer, you can always disable the automatic updates for each theme. This can be a useful option if you want to have full control over when and how your themes are updated, ensuring that updates don't occur without your approval. Next, let's install the necessary plugins. To do this, go to the Plugins section and click on Add New. This will allow you to search for and install any plugins you need for your project. Simply type Elementor in the search bar and press Enter. Once the results appear, click on the Install button next to the Elementor plugin to begin the installation process. Elementor will allow you to customize and edit your website, including creating better paragraph text and enhancing your site's layout and design. Next, simply type WooCommerce in the search bar and press Enter. WooCommerce is a powerful and flexible e-commerce plugin for WordPress that allows you to easily set up and manage an online store. Next plugin we install is Product Wishlist. The Product Wishlist plugin is a useful tool that allows users to create and manage a list of desired products. Once you have installed all the plugins, navigate to the Installed Plugin section to begin utilizing them effectively. To activate all plugins at once, select Active from the drop-down menu and click Apply to enable all the plugins. Once the plugins are successfully activated, navigate to the Woostify theme in your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to the Starter Site section. To install the demo content, click on Install Woostify Library and follow the prompts. Woostify offers a variety of both free and premium starter sites, allowing you to easily browse and select the one that best fits your needs. Whether you're looking for a simple design or a more advanced layout, their collection gives you the flexibility to choose the perfect starting point for your website. Simply scroll through the options and pick the one that aligns with your vision. Since you've come to this video to build a completely free e-commerce site, simply select one of the free options and click Next. On the following page, you'll be prompted to install some essential plugins required by the theme to ensure everything functions smoothly. Once all the necessary plugins are installed, the import of the starter site will begin automatically. Once the demo is imported, begin by viewing your website to get an overview of how it looks. If the layout doesn't quite match your needs or design vision, you can easily edit and adjust it to better suit your preferences. This gives you the flexibility to customize the layout until it aligns perfectly with your desired look and functionality. As you can see, the functionality works very well. You now have the ability to add items to your wish list, where you can easily view all the necessary details about each product. From there, you can choose to add items to your cart or remove them, giving you complete control over your shopping experience. The shop menu includes all the essential tabs needed for a seamless e-commerce experience. It's designed to be user-friendly, with a clean and intuitive layout that makes navigation effortless. Every feature is thoughtfully organized, ensuring that customers can easily browse, shop, and complete their transactions with ease. There are various payment options available, offering flexibility and convenience for users. With multiple methods to choose from, individuals can select the one that best suits their needs, ensuring a seamless and efficient transaction process. It is perfectly suitable for small e-commerce businesses. It provides a flexible and cost-effective solution, allowing entrepreneurs to easily set up and manage their online stores. With user-friendly features and a range of customizable options, it enables small business owners to create a seamless shopping experience for their customers without the need for extensive technical knowledge. To customize the layout and make it fit your brand's needs, you can easily replace all product items, names, and sections. By using Elementor, you have full control over editing and updating every layout section. This allows you to tailor the design and content to match your brand's identity, ensuring a unique and personalized user experience. With Elementor, making these changes is seamless and intuitive, enabling you to create a layout that perfectly aligns with your vision. To modify a section, item, or product, simply click on the element you want to change. On the left side of the screen, you'll find options to upload a new product image, update the name, adjust the text, and even change the colors. This allows you to easily customize and enhance your content to better fit your needs. Congrats! You've just created your own e-commerce website with WordPress for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Good luck with your online store, and thanks for watching.